But first I want to show you some interesting quartz. I'm putting these aside for export, and if anybody is watching this video and you need some really good quality spirit quartz at a very good price, then contact us in the comments below. So we'll start with this piece. This has got a lot of luster, and I'm going to put it aside for export. This guy over here, let's turn it a bit like this so that we can see it nicely. Yeah, it's also a nice piece, but I like this one. I like the profile of this one. It's really nice. It's nice and thin. It stands well. The crystals all to one side. Beautiful. And look at this one. This one is also nice. Right. Looking great. So we're just sorting out which ones are going into the export box. And this guy, I like it for the way that it stands. It stands like this. Upright, very thin, nice piece. Sits well. Good luster. Very good luster. That's that box over there. Alright. Then I've got this chunky piece here. Most of these pieces have been in the acid twice, just to try and get them clean. This one still have a few tiny spots, but doesn't look too bad. Yeah, look at this guy. This guy is quite nice. It's got a big crystal on this side, covered druzy crystal, and then it's got all this druzy stuff there. Really like this. Okay, let's have a look. So I've got some stuff in this flat. We can just look at a few pieces. I like the way the light passes through that. Let me hold it up to the light. It's sort of translucent on the edges. It's like jelly. It's beautiful. Okay, and then look at this guy over here. Oof, don't like that sound. Look at this guy. It's so nice. It's got this really interesting shape. Okay, let me put that in another box. Box is getting a bit crowded. And this guy, it might remind you of something. I don't know. It's got a head over there and a tail over there. Maybe like a sausage dog, a Vienna dog. Right, I'm going to put it in that box. And this is the color that everybody wants. This really nice purple color. Beautiful. Okay, put it in that box over there. This is another type that has come out. It's a sort of a smoky. And look at the luster. Look at the way it shines. So that's about it for this box. This one also has that yellow at the base and then purple on top. Very nice. Then there's another box over here. So quickly scan over it. Oh, I want to pick out this piece. This is so interesting. This is so interesting. It's got a sort of a cover over it. And then these crystals. It's beautiful. Yeah. So I just love my crystals. This guy over here, it's very shiny. Look at this. Very shiny. Most of these have been placed in this box because of the luster. I'm going to just look at the bottom box and see what we've got over there. This box is also very nice. I'm going to pick out a few. I'm picking out this one. This has got that citrine on it with smoky edge, smoky point. Beautiful. These are very stubborn to clean. I had to put this through the acid twice. And This has also got a very nice profile. Look at the profile on this one. All export quality. Like the color there. And this one's got some red in it, which I like. Look at the red. I guess it's just iron oxide, but it's trapped underneath and it gives that reddish hue. This one is also nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Just the luster on that one is great. Right. So I'm going to put these back to where they belong. I'm just storing them in a cupboard. And then we'll carry on with the rest of the work. This one over here is a 5 rand, and this is a 15 rand, and this one over here is a 30, and this one over here is a 45. Right, so let's start sorting this stuff. Okay. Yeah, look at this one is quite interesting. Okay, so from this angle it's really nice, but then when I turn it around it's got this white coating on it, and this one actually had a sort of a reddish coating on it, and then because of the acid and boiling it twice in the acid it turned white, and you can't get it off. Just can't get it off. And such a beautiful piece, kind of spoiled, but I am going to put a price on it of 80 rand and put it in this box over here. Right, so let me start sorting all of this stuff. I'll sort this stuff, then we'll see where we get to. Right, so this would be about a 30 rand piece, I would say, and another 30. This one a 45. Let's do that at 45. This one we could also do at 45. Quite like it. This is an interesting piece. I think it will land up in 30s. Then these are 15 rands. And this is a 15. And that one will make it into a 5. What to do? 15, I think. 5. Let's put those at 5. And this one at 5. This is problematic. It's still dirty. I'm going to put it at 15, and that's a 5 over there. Okay. So I've got this one now for all the rejects, and let's grab another container. Ooh. This is quite special. Wow. I think this will go to export. Definitely to export. That's such a nice piece. That's such a nice piece. This guy over here. I think we do a 45 on that. This one also 45. Okay, what have we got here? A 30. Sure, I love this one. So much luster. Let's take it to the sun, I'll show you. It's got a lot of luster. Take it to 45. This guy is quite dinged up. Going to put it on the reject pile together with that one. Right, what is this? This is a reject. And this guy over here, we'll put it at 15. Right, so let's rather use this basket for the rejects. And this is a better basket, that one. Okay, I'm fetching another box. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Oh, almost dropped it. Ouch. This is so interesting, but it's coated with a coating that has no luster at all, so it will be rejected. This guy, rejected. This one, we'll make it 80 rand. Okay. This one over here, it's got that same white on the back, but it's not too bothersome. I think a 45. Okay, what is this? This is a 30. Then this is also interesting. I like this. I like it. So much character. So beautiful. Okay, right. What do we have with? I think we are looking at 60. Let me make a 60 box over here. This is a 60 box. 60. Right. Back to sorting. That's a 15. And that is a 15. This is a 15. And this over here is definitely a 30. Okay, it's called fairy quartz. Nice luster. This, is it a 30? I think so. Okay, that, we'll just leave it at 5. 5. Also nice. 30. Okay. Seem to go for the 30s today. Right. So that's another basket empty. Then we'll go for the next one. So let me not grab it one-handed, because I almost dropped that one. Okay. What is this? I think a 60. Okay. This one should be priced on its own. Look at the way it stands. Okay. Goes right into the store. And then these, I'm not sorting right now, because this is all that fairy quartz stuff. I'm looking for a buyer for this. I'm going to put it in here. There's my other fairy quartz over here. Move this one up. Move that one up. And slot that one in there. Okay. Yeah, gee whiz. Just dropped the little camera. Okay, so let's do the next one. This is also fairy quartz. Oh man, look at this piece. Let's look at it. Wow. It's beautiful, that spray. Wow. There we've got this one. Nice. Nice. Okay. Bit damaged. Okay, so all of this is going on the reject pile. Lovely stuff for people to buy at about, is it about $4 a kg? Good value for money. I must say, by this time I'm pretty tired of sorting quartz, I can tell you that. I've been doing it for a couple of days, and it's not so much fun anymore. This one, and I've got that one, which are both. I'm going to pack this into, let me rather use this one over here. I'm going to pack this into there, and then we'll put it inside. This will be sorted much later. Wow, this is a lot of work. My. Look at this. This is nice. This again is nice. Makes it all worth it. This is so interesting. I make it at 60. Okay. This is another interesting one. Very interesting. Is it a 30 or a 45? Maybe just a 30. Yes, 30 is only about $1.80. Okay, that's another 30. Let me see. I think I'll move this whole box to the inside and store it with the rest. Oh, quite nice. That's a 5. That's a 5.